Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, July 2nd, 2025, second day of Fiesta celebration in Maslog.
We have a challenge for you. You have to say yeah when we say yeah. Go. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Yeah.
We are a little bit late start today. Going to the church. It's going to be fantastic in the morning. Here. Beautiful, nice view. That is a church.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
No need to be shy. Okay, thank you.
Hey! Ano natin vlog?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I'm going to vlog over there later. Okay. Hello. As a table manners, I'm going to take one shot. Okay, that's it. So, this is exactly sound look like the Fiesta sound. Every family comes with a relative, everybody having great lunch over here right now. The celebration is too high everywhere. You can see all friendly faces over here. Hey. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Be free. I'll give you the sticker right now. Wait. So everybody having party over here, Fiesta. How about the gentleman? Ah, beautiful, nice house with a lot of relations over here. Okay. So such a beautiful, nice family. It's a very big family over here, having great time. Maslog Fiesta. Yeah. Hold it. If you want to say something, you say it now.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys. For today's video. Ano ka na naman kuya? Yay! Panatan boy! Yay! Asya na! Man, say hi boy! Boy, hi! Ano ti Don Don? Yay!
Festival everywhere. Happy people. You can go anywhere, eat straight away. There is no question asked. Everybody will give you food. Hello.
Hey!
Happy Fiesta! Hi. Hello.
May vlog. Hi, guys. Picture. Picture.
This is a video. Video. Say hi. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.